Alright, solving linear equations. This is part 3. The first thing we have here is a really messed up looking equation. And that's why we're going to simplify it. So you want to look and see if there's any parentheses. If there are, you're going to distribute. If there are any like terms, you want to combine them. So the first thing to do is to separate this into its sides. Let's try that one again. Right there's good enough. So now we have them separated into sides. So on the left side, are there any like terms? Yes, we have an 8 and a negative 2. That gives us 3x plus 6. And on the right side, we have 18 and negative 1, which gives us negative 18. And then what this simplifying does is turn this into our nice basic equation that we just solved. That was what we did last time. This one. Basic equations. So now that we have it simplified, we can now solve it. And that's our isolate the x and divide. So if you've practiced this a lot, now you should be able to solve this very, very, very quickly. So we get rid of the 6, which leaves us with 3x's, and a minus 24. And then we divide by 3. Which leaves us with x equals negative 8. And then that is our answer. If we plug it back in and check it, it should work out. So let's see. Negative 2 plus 3 times negative 8 plus 8 equals, and we know that's negative 18. So that's negative 2 plus negative 24 plus 8 equals negative 18. That's negative 26 plus 8. It's negative 18. Checks out perfectly. Alright, next one. So on this one we have a parenthesis. So again, let's isolate our sides. Side 1, side 2. So on the left we have to distribute, and we'll probably get to combine like terms. And on the right we get to combine like terms. So since this one's simple, let's start with that one. That's 21. And then over here we have 5x plus 10 minus 2x. And are there any like terms? Yes, 5x take away 2x is 3x plus 10 equals 21. And then there's the basic equation again. So now we can solve it. Let's rewrite it though first. So we get 3x plus 10 equals 21. So we subtract 10. This gives us 3x equals 11. And then the last step is to divide. So x equals 11/3. And that is it. That is for solving linear equations using simplifying. So if we have to distribute, we distribute. If we can combine like terms, we combine like terms. But basically, for an equation, you have two sides to it, and each side is a little expression that you have to simplify. And after you simplify it, it'll turn it into the basic equation and allow you to solve. So here's 2 for you to try. Give them a shot. Hit pause now. Alright, and there are the answers. So if you distribute the negative 2, it gives us a nice basic equation, which allows us to solve it very quickly. And if we simplify the left and the right on this one, it gives us a nice basic equation we get to solve, and then checking shows us that we are correct.